Hey guys, what's going on? So today is a bunch of miscellaneous parts that go onto the bumper, and then fully welding the rest of the bumper. I actually did have quite a bit more content on this, except I found out that my camera didn't work. So I've at least got some of it. So this is just me finishing up the last part of the latch. Only tough part about this particular piece is if you're looking for the tiny tab that is the latch catch, look in the small parts bag. It's in there. I looked everywhere for it. I thought I had dropped it. I thought they had forgotten it. And, you always find something in the last place you look. So there you go. Alright, right here is actually the reason that you always make sure that everything's nice before you fully weld. That actually took quite a bit more time than what it shows in the video, but I had to, go back and redo something because it was just not the way that I wanted it to be. So just make sure your tack welds are good and everything's straight before you fully weld. That's the best thing that you can do. Okay, so in this part, it looks like I forgot how to weld. I couldn't figure out why my welder was running so bad, but I actually ran out of wire. But anyway, I really appreciate you watching the video. Hit that like button. Share it with your friends. Subscribe. I've got stuff coming out every week, and I really appreciate it. This is kind of fun to do. Thanks for watching. Talk to you guys later. Bye.